Okay, so what I did is remove the security checks because it's you know what, it's really annoying. Whatever, let's try this again. Yes, it's done. Okay. So this is the main interface of Swordfish web browser. Okay, so this is the main interface of Swordfish web browser. What you get actually here? So first of all, these are just included in DuckDuckGo. You can use Duck AI, and basically Duck AI is free, and inside Duck AI you just get ChatGPTs and some other things. Like here, these things are free. Whatever, these are from DuckDuckGo. Okay, so I'm adding a new tab. Okay, in new tab I'm gonna show you the main things, the actual why I have built this one. Okay, so first of all, new private window, it's normal thing, but here in the ad blocking level, here you can see disable, low, medium, ultimate. Okay, low works really fine, and if you go to medium and ultimate, it just I'll say insane, because you don't need to do these things. Because if you do this, like if I set to this one and try to YouTube, you can see it will be slow. Okay, this is really slow, because they are in backend, it's just checking some CSS and other things, and what makes this slow. Okay, but I'm not gonna use that. I'm just okay, you can see that it doesn't even work well. Whatever, low is really fast. Okay, let me try with low. You can see that suggestions already is there. Okay, so these are things fine. Okay, you get a sign in form. Okay. So from why I'm showing this. Okay, now if I just add download, okay, let's say audio, and from here you can download this. Okay, you can see that this video is downloading. Oh, okay, but before that you will need to sign in here. Without this you can't just download whatever. It's okay. Okay, the next thing is the tool. Okay, here you can see that there are tons of tools, but most likely it's better to just use the tools hub, because here you get everything you require, like merge PDFs, split PDFs, Word to PDF, and others. And there may be some issues in Word to PDF and PDF to Word. Word to PDF is fine, but PDF to Word is worst. It doesn't work well. Whatever, you can use these things. And here YT transcript translator, you can use this is just built-in translator as a dictionary. And here you will find archive tools, likely to let's try these things. I have downloaded now. Whatever. Okay, I'll just add this one and just archive. Yeah, done. It's really simple. And from archive, just do this. Okay, and if you just choose this one, it's if it keeps empty, then it will be added in this folder. Whatever, you can see that it's really fast. Okay, so as I don't have any PDFs here, so I can show you, but I have checked this. These three works fine. This didn't work well, and I didn't check these things because I don't need it. But I wish that it works well. But in later things, likely these things all works fine. But the UI of calculator is really worst. Whatever. From here I will show you more things, like is there anything? No, everything's fine. Okay, in utilities you will find VPN or proxy. Okay, and more likely QR code generator, which is added in this page, and even unit converter and programmers converter, which isn't here. Okay, like I'm adding 64. Okay, you can see that decimal to binary is already converted. Hexa, octal. Okay, these things are fine. Okay, and more likely the VPN or proxy. Okay, you can see this is my current IP here, connectivity connected. Okay, and MAC is cooking. That means it will randomize your MAC address. That means MAC address of your computer. Every time you just press this one. Okay, I'll need to insert my password. Okay, and it will just do it. Okay, fail to command DHCP. Okay, and more likely to apply these things, what I'll need is to restart my browser every time. But I guess you don't need it, okay, because it's already a private. Okay, so that's all for today. I guess you all will support me.